Hi, in this class I would like to explain range of projectile and its applications also. Displacement, the shortest path between starting point and ending point. So the distance between O and B, shortest distance between O and B, nothing but displacement of the projectile. So that is called range. So how do you calculate range of the projectile? So to calculate this range of the projectile, let us consider equation of kinematics. One of the equation S is equal to ut plus half AD square. Here displacement considered along x-axis only. So along x-axis value along x-axis. Displacement is r. U, initial velocity u cos theta. So we know that acceleration along x-axis 0, ax equal to 0. Here time taken from O to B is time of flight, that is t. Time of flight is 2u sin theta by g. Time of flight is. These are the values. Now I will apply equation S is equal to ut plus half AD square to calculate range. S value is r, u value u cos theta. Here t is time of flight 2u sin theta by z. Acceleration 0. When the acceleration is 0, 0 into anything 0, this term is 0. Therefore, range r is equal to u into u square 2 sin theta, that remaining is cos theta by z. Here time of flight to u sin theta by g, equation taken directly. Time of flight also derived in previous equation, you can see previous videos. R is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equation for sin 2 theta by g. R is u square sin 2 theta by g. So there are applications for range. First application, if it is projected with 45 degrees, you know gains are there. So in the javelin throw game, if it is thrown, small iron ball, shot put, you know that it is thrown with 45 degrees, what happens to it? Theta is 45 degrees. Theta 45. Then range is r is equal to u square sin 2 into 45 by g. R is equal to u square sin 90 by g. Sin 90 value 1, u square by g. So this is the maximum. This is formula for maximum range of the projectile. Second application, if it is thrown, for example, 45 degrees or 90 minus 45, 90 minus 45 also 45. For example, if it is thrown with 45 degrees, starting point A, final point is B. 90 minus 45, also 45, it will reach B point. One more. If it is thrown with 30 degrees angle, for 30 degrees angle, if it reaches B point, 90 minus 30, 60 degrees. When it is thrown 60 degrees also, it will reach the same point. Always range is same for 90 degrees and for theta and 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Instead of theta, if 90 minus theta is taken, what happens? R equal to u square sine 2 into 90 minus theta by g. U square 2 into 90 180 sine 180 degrees minus 2 into theta 2 theta by g is equal to u square sine 180 minus 2 theta. Use all silver teacups formula. 180 minus 2 theta is that second quadrant. All silver, sine is positive, so it is positive. It is sine 180 minus 2 theta formula, sine 2 theta by g. R value is range formula, u square sine 2 theta by g. Instead of theta, when 90 minus theta is taken, then also u square sine 2 theta by g. So range is same in two cases at theta value and 90 minus theta value. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, it will reach same point. 15 degrees, 75 degrees will reach same point. Now application 3. Range equation R is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g or u square sin 2 theta by g. Trajectory of projectile. Trajectory of projectile is parabola. That equation also derived in projectile part 1 video. That equation is y is equal to tan theta into x minus g by 2 u square cos square theta into x square. Y equation. I want to change this equation in terms of range R. Is it possible or not? So if it is possible, then tan theta into x minus g by, I will write 2 u square cos square theta into cos theta, cos square theta multiply and divide with sin theta, remaining x square. Now y is equal to tan theta into x minus g goes to third place. Now I will change this equation. U square 2 sin theta is there, cos square theta, I will take 1 cos theta, g goes to third place by z, remaining in second place cos square theta, it is 1 cos theta, 1 more cos theta. In numerator sin theta also there into x square. Y equal tan theta into x minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. This equation u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g, nothing but r. This equation is, this entire equation is equal to r, that is in denominator. That remaining term is x square. Equation of trajectory, what I told previous video, ax minus bx square, nothing but tan theta into x minus g by 2 u square cos square theta into x square. That equation also can be written like y equal to tan theta into x minus tan theta by r into x square. In next videos, area of projectile also derived. So in that video, this equation also useful. So remember this equation. Thank you for watching.